Welcome to the Southern Belle NOLA channel. I'm your hostess, Southern Belle, and this is a Buy It Now video. Who is just chomping at the bit to start gardening, to start spring, to start decorating outside? Well, the very first thing I put out is a brand new little garden flag. After all, while you're waiting for seeds and bulbs to sprout, waiting for that color, a garden flag is instant color in your yard. And after all, while they're flapping around, eventually you're going to need to replace it just from the movement, just from the stress on the seams, just from the bleaching out of the sun. And these small garden flags are going to be the low affordable price of $5, so you can afford to get one every year or even change them out for the seasons. So let me show you the beautiful choices that we will have at the very end. I'll have some of the big ones for the house, but this video is mostly going to be small garden flags. In the comments, you can buy the one you want to buy with the code word that I give you. I'll let you know when one is sold out. If you're looking for other gardening items, go ahead and shout it out. I can make another Buy It Now video or show it at auction. All items that you buy from this video can be combined with items you buy at my regular weekly auctions. So, without further ado, laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll with small garden flags for the low price of $5. This one will be code word watering can because it has a super cute watering can as well as these beautiful sunflowers. And look at those little ladybugs creeping along underneath the watering can. For my bird lovers, this will be code word bird. I love a small garden flag that literally says welcome, since your flag welcomes people to your yard. It's also got swirls representing some roses, got some literal flowers that are underneath the birdie, and look at that sweet pink butterfly. Is your favorite color yellow or maybe orange? Here is a welcome flag with some pretty little flowers, some elegant dainty daisies, and look at that orange butterfly. Code word yellow. Do you give a hoot, or is owl your favorite animal, or your spirit animal as they sometimes call it? Look at these darling little owls just waiting to tell people you give a hoot and to welcome them to your yard. Code word owl. Until the flowers start growing in your yard, you can have flowers on your garden flag. This way your yard can always be abloom. If you're interested in this one with the deep purple background, the vibrant colors, code word purple. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Who loves frogs? I can just imagine this little frog saying ribbit in your yard to welcome your visitors. Super cute, and look at those eyes just staring out at you. Who goes there? Code word frog. Who loves gardening? This flag literally says garden, shows a beautiful old-time wooden wheelbarrow just abloom with flowers. Code word garden. I think I have failed to say so far that all of these gardening flags measure 12 by 18, which is the standard size of a garden flag. Here is a watering can that says welcome with cute little Shasta daisies in a vibrant magenta. Code word Shasta. Look at these beautiful purple lavender wildflowers. They look like they are just about to blow away. The depth of this 3D flag is amazing. It looks like you could just reach out and touch it. Code word wildflowers. If you're a fan of tulips, I've got these gorgeous orange tulips on a blue background. Comment tulips. If you want to let people know that your home is a home sweet home, complete with butterflies swirling around, here's the flag for you. Comment sweet. Here's a flag to remind you that you are a small dot in the huge world, but that world is growing around you, rooting into your soil, blooming with leaves, and just look at the super cute hummingbirds that are swirling around it. Code word world. Do you consider everybody to be a friend? Or are you one of those people that says, "Hi, friend, welcome, friend"? Well, here's a flag that literally says that, complete with a blue truck just filled with great treats, donuts, cookies, flowers. What a way to welcome friends with that bounty. Code word friends. This beautiful vase full of flowers provides such a welcome. Code word vase. Whale come home. Are you a fan of whales, or maybe you just like the artistic representational painting at the bottom, or maybe you have a southern accent like I do. When you say welcome home, it sounds more like whale come home. Oh, I love the play on words with this cute little whale and the whale come home. And I also love the representational painting with these deep colors that look like you painted it yourself, but yet it's the available price of $5. If you love reds, oranges, salmons, magentas, this is the flag for you. Sometimes when you have strong colors, it's super in your face, and yet these are muted and lovely, very welcoming. And look how the O on the welcome is a flower. I think that's just darling. So you can comment code red for this one. Where's my gnome lovers out there? We've got 3 little gnomes coming to welcome your guests like a welcoming line, a welcoming committee, and like good gnomes, they don't come empty-handed. They come bearing ice cream, watermelon, and fudgesicles. Yum, yum, yum. Those gnomes know what we like. You can comment code GNOME to buy this flag. Have you served in the military? Maybe you have a relative serving now. Maybe you have a veteran in your family. Here's a great way to show some Marine Corps pride and spirit. Semper Fidelis. Comment code word Marine. Lastly, if you've been waiting for the big, huge size flags that you have to put on the side of a house with a flagpole, here they are. They measure 28 by 40. I only have one of each type. Their price will be $8, and you have a choice of Hello Spring or Summer Day. After all, most people change flags by the season. This way you get a little bit more use out of them, and you can't repaint your house every season, but you can change out your garden flag. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've gotten this far, give it a thumbs up, pretty please. In the comments, check to make sure the flag you want to buy is still available. Some are one and done, some have multiples. Take a look at my other Buy It Now videos, and you can also comment with what future Buy It Now videos you would like for me to make a special video for. Laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. May God bless you. Bye-bye.